In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle duplicate transactions in Koinly. Duplicate transactions can creep in when the same wallet or exchange data is imported more than once, or when you combine different import methods. They inflate your portfolio value, distort gains and losses, and make tax reports messy. The goal today is to safely remove the extra entry while keeping the correct one intact so your records stay clean and accurate. First, go to Koinly. Open it in your browser and get to your dashboard so you can work directly with your data. Once you're in, go to Transactions. This is the central ledger in Koinly where every deposit, withdrawal, trade, and transfer appears. Think of it as your master timeline. You'll use this view to spot and clean up anything that doesn't belong. Now find the duplicate transaction. A true duplicate typically matches another entry in date and time, asset, amount, and direction, and often shares the same counterparty or transaction hash. For example, you might see two identical trades or two transfers that mirror each other with the same details. Before you remove anything, take a moment to visually compare the entries. Make sure you're not confusing a fee or an internal transfer with a duplicate. If amounts, timestamps, and identifiers line up perfectly, you're probably looking at a duplicate. When you've identified the duplicate, click on the triple dot next to that specific transaction. This opens the context menu for that entry. The triple dot is your quick way to access actions without changing anything else in your ledger. From that menu, click on Delete. This removes the selected duplicate from your transactions list. Because you're only targeting the extra copy, the original correct transaction remains in place. Be deliberate here. Confirm you're acting on the duplicate you just reviewed so you keep your records consistent. Once deleted, the extra entry no longer inflates balances or creates false gains. That's all it takes. By going to Koinly, opening transactions, finding the duplicate, clicking the triple dot, and selecting delete, you keep your books tidy and your reports trustworthy. Regularly reviewing transactions for duplicates is a simple habit that prevents bigger headaches later, especially during tax season. With a clean ledger, your portfolio performance, cost basis, and realized gains all reflect reality, which is exactly what you want. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped you clean up your Koinly records, you're on the right track to accurate reporting and smoother reconciliation next time.